It costs money to be poor. That sounds ridiculous, right? How can having less money cost more? But it is true. The less capital you have, the higher the price tag on life. This is a mathematical trap that keeps people stuck. This is called the Boots Theory. Let's meet Richie and Poorie. They both need boots for winter. Richie has $50. Poorie only has $10. Richie buys a high-quality pair of $50 boots. They're leather, sturdy, and will last for 10 years. Poorie can only afford the cheap $10 boots. They are thin cardboard. They leak when it rains, and they fall apart after 1 year. Fast forward 10 years. Richie still wears his original pair. Total cost, $50. But Poorie has had to buy new cheap boots every single year. $10, 10 times. He isn't bad with money. He just didn't have the entry fee to buy quality ones. It's not just boots. This is the reality of liquidity. It's buying the small $5 pack of toilet paper every week instead of the $20 bulk pack that lasts 6 months. It's needing a car to get to work, but only affording a clunker that breaks down every month. It's the payday loan with 300% interest because you couldn't wait 2 days for your paycheck. So how do you escape? The goal isn't to get rich overnight. The goal is to save just enough liquidity, an emergency fund, so you can afford to buy the good boots once. Break the cycle of cheap. Stop paying the poor tax. Welcome to SifuLabs. Subscribe to Master the Basics.